How to cash out in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can cash out in Monopoly Go, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to cash out on Monopoly Go, first of all what you can try to do is you can earn money or cash in Monopoly Go, so you can start building more landscapes and advance on the boards inside of the game. So to start this video, I went ahead and then I got lucky with the bank heist. Bank heist or shutdowns are some of the best ways that you can earn a quick buck in Monopoly Go. You will be able to attack or interact with other players and earn money by doing the heist or shutdowns. And as you can see, if you stole money from some of your friends list by rolling around the board and landing on one of those special spots, usually rolling around the board constantly, spinning your dice daily is going to be the best way to earn a lot of cash in Monopoly Go that can be used to build your landmarks. It is of the course the natural way to do so, and it's important that you actively log in daily, use all of your dice and make sure they don't accumulate. That way you can get the most out of them. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.